YouTube, what up, what up, what up? Gas Mask in the building, coming back at you with another video. I need y'all to like, share, subscribe, comment, dislike, or comment, whatever, whether it's good, bad, ugly, or indifferent, it don't matter. I just need y'all's engagement. I'm on the way to 100K. I'm about to say 200K, but I'm moving a little ahead of myself. So my journey is still in the very beginning stages. I got very few subscribers, but I ain't tripping off that. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. Consistency is the key. So I'm gonna keep coming at y'all with a daily vid. I'm gonna make this real short and sweet. I always tell y'all to bear with me for a second while. I know y'all can hear this fan and this noise in the background. Like I said, I'm mining crypto. I've been doing this since 2017. Not mining, but I've been in the Bitcoin and Ethereum since 2017. And back in 2020, I started mining. Shout out King Ali, Crypto Kings ENT. So I need y'all to just bear with me for a little bit. Like I said, I'm mining Ethereum. The crypto market is in the toilet, it's tanking right now, but I never shut the machine off. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You hear the machine and you hear the fan, and I always mention it, so let me just go ahead and give y'all a glimpse of this particular rig. I got a few rigs. This one is in this room where I shoot my videos, so just so y'all know I'm not bluffing them. You know what I'm saying? This is the rig that y'all hear, that I built myself. Y'all can see the fans is running, everything is on, extra fans right here on the side, risers and all of that, motherboard. Yeah, so this is what y'all always hear in the background, right here. That fan, like I said, this runs 24/7, 7 days a week. I never shut it off. It's always need the fan on, so that it stays cool. Otherwise, it will start rebooting and shutting down because these graphics cards, these video cards run hot. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I'm gonna make this video real short and sweet. I just wanted to address Bitcoin and crypto. Like I said, man, the crypto market is tanking right now. It's in the toilet. It's in the absolute shitter. But that goes also for all of the rest of the traditional financial markets. The stock market, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, everything is in the toilet right now. So it's not just crypto. So the mainstream will have you think that crypto is trash, Bitcoin is going to zero, and all this stuff. And I just want to give y'all some encouragement on this 4th of July weekend. Don't fall for the FUD'd. FUD, FUD. What's FUD? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Okay, so the mainstream media's job is to push as much FUD on the little guys like us as they can. Meanwhile, all the millionaires and billionaires are buying up as much as they can. Alright, so there's a lot of manipulation going on. Don't fall for it. Continue to HODL. What's HODL? Hold on for dear life. Really means hold, but HODL is what us in the crypto world call it, HODLing, holding on for dear life. So don't panic sell. Don't get FUD'd out of your crypto, out of your Bitcoin, out of your Ethereum. Y'all gotta stay focused, stay mentally strong, and understand the psychology of this thing. You gotta think opposite. So how we're trained to think, when the price is going up to the moon, everybody want to FOMO in. What's FOMO? Fear of missing out. So people are basically buying the high and selling the low, which is the exact opposite of how you should be moving around. You buy when it's low, you sell when it's high. Buy low, sell high. That's the way the thing works. So it's just so funny how the psychology is, because like I said, When Bitcoin going to the moon, when it was up at 69,000 and all that, everybody FOMOing it and buying the high. And then what happens? The price starts to go down, and then they sell at the low, panic sell. We got to get out of this backwards mentality, especially the newbies. I get it that seems backwards, but just think about it. Now is the buying opportunity. We was at like I said, we was at 69,000 at the high, and people was buying in. Now we holding around like 19,000 for Bitcoin, and people are scared to buy, saying it's too low. They scared it's gonna go too low. So you mean to tell me you're gonna buy in at Bitcoin at almost 70 racks, at 70K, but now we had like a 60% drop? So basically a 60% discount. It's like if you want a pair of J's and they $300, and then you see them on sale for $150, you gonna say it's too low? No, it's the same mentality. Bitcoin is cheap right now. Crypto is cheap, which means now is the buying opportunities. You gotta remember, I've been in this since 2017. I've seen some of the most volatile swings. I've seen some of the most major big tanks, dips. I've lived through all of it, and I ain't sold. So now I understand this is just par for the course. You got valleys and peaks, you got ups and downs. It's just a part of the game. The 1%, the millionaires and the billionaires, like I said, there's a lot of manipulation going on. Crypto is still early in the game, and right now it's probably under $1 trillion market cap. So you got to think, the traditional financial markets, the stock markets, is at 140 trillion total, and crypto is at 1 trillion. So just think about how much farther crypto has to grow and how early we are in the game. You got to understand and remember that. There's going to be lots of trillions of dollars coming back into the market as we move forward. Y'all got to just be able to hold it down and HODL through these times and understand this is the time to buy. Don't wait till we start shooting back up to the moon and buy the high. You need to be buying now when the price is super low, and you're going to reap the benefits and be happy that you did when the price goes back up. And trust me, the price will go back up. It always goes back up. We've had these valleys and peaks from the very beginning. I'm going to give y'all my crypto story, how I found out about Bitcoin, how I got into the game at some point. Now isn't the time for that. That's another video. But right now, I just want to spread some love and encouragement to the HODLers, the people who hold it strong, the people who know not to panic sell, who not falling for the okie doke, not falling for the bait. You got to understand, with crypto being at only a $1 trillion market cap, and it's probably a little below that at this point, it only takes a few billionaires to coordinate a move to move the market. So if a few billionaires get together and sell off, that can tank the whole market, and part of that's what we're seeing. I want to throw out there and shout out to my man George from Cryptos R Us. I've been following him since 2017. So if you're not following George, give him a follow. George is the man. Love that guy. I want to give y'all some encouragement. Pretty much like George said, you got to understand, yeah, Bitcoin is at 19,000. We holding at 19,000. That might seem low considering we were at 69,000 a few months ago. It was probably back in like November of last year, 2021. So from 69,000 to 19, yeah, we're down. But all things considered, Bitcoin is actually showing its strength. What do I mean? We got a war going on with Ukraine. We got gas prices going through the roof. We got damn inflation going crazy. We got interest rates doubling, tripling the high, no, not tripling, but like double in a matter of weeks, highest that we've ever seen. The housing market is way out of whack. I mean, like I said, inflation, food prices, the prices of everything is going through the roof. So you got all of the traditional financial markets are tanking. You got to look at all of this stuff that's happening at one time. Everything is happening all at once. You see what I'm saying? So with all I consider, Bitcoin is showing its resiliency and its strength, actually. For us to still be holding at 19,000 with all of this stuff in the macro financial environment going on, that actually shows Bitcoin strength. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta think, I got in crypto in 2017, November 2017, when it was at 7,500, and Ethereum was at like 300 or 400, like 500. So I got into Bitcoin at 7,500, November 2017. Within a month, it went all the way up to 20,000, right? And then it tanked down to 3,000. So through all of that I held, I didn't panic sell. So I'm damn sure not gonna be, if I held from it tanking from 20,000 all the way to 3,000, I'm gonna hold from 69, even though we're down to 19. Most of us, I'm trading now, but I've just been going through a lot with work and my children and family, and just, you know, and I forgot to mention COVID as well. So all of this stuff is happening all at once. So I've kind of fallen off of my trading. My portfolio is way down. Since November 2021, my portfolio is down 6 figures. That's at the least. That's a fact. You can't make this up. I'm down 6 figures, and not just 100,000. I'm down a lot since November when we were at the high. I should have sold the high, but that was really kind of before I started. That was when I really first got into trading. And when the price is going up, it's easy to get caught up in that moon boy frequency, thinking that the price just going to the moon. Thought we was going to hit 100,000. You think about the 4-year cycle, the halving event and all that. And so, like I said, you couldn't have told me that we wasn't going to hit 100K Bitcoin and 10K Ethereum. But this cycle wound up being a whole lot different with, you know, COVID and all these different things going on in the macro economic and financial environment. Like I said, you got war, you got inflation, you got damn interest rates going crazy. We're in the middle of a recession. I mean, bro. So again, don't get FUD'd out of your crypto. Crypto is the future, and everything is gonna come back up. It could be a year from now. It could be 2 years from now. You know what I'm saying? But the people who have HODLed long term are the ones that have made life-changing wealth. You see what I'm saying? Crypto is, and I was going crazy. I'm gonna just say that. I'm gonna get into, you know, some of my former life and what I used to do in future videos. But I was going crazy, making hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. And all I said, getting into Bitcoin and crypto in 2017, even though it's down in the toilet and it's tanking right now, still the smartest financial decision I've ever made, and it has changed my life. The money that I made in crypto can't compare to the hundreds of thousands of dollars that I was making. I just wish that when I was making those hundreds of thousands of dollars back in 2013, 2014, 2015, I should have been buying crypto. But that's a whole nother story. I'm going to get into more of those details in a later video. This is just a short video. I just wanted to tell everybody, don't panic sell. Don't get FUD'd out of your crypto. This is going to be your life-changing wealth years down the line. It's changed my life. I'm living proof. Y'all see I'm mining like I really do this. This is a lifestyle. I'm not one of them people that's in and out trying to just get rich overnight, quick scheme. The people who got in super early you know, in 2011 and 2012, you know, they're multi-millionaires now. And I knew about Bitcoin back in 2012. My background is IT, information technology, and that's how I found out about Bitcoin back then. And again, I'm going to get into that in a later video. But again, it's Gas Mask in here just trying to give y'all a little bit of positivity and encouragement. If you're in crypto, don't get FUD'd out of your coins. This is going to be your life-changing wealth in the near future. Might have to hodl for a few years, but trust me, it'll be worth it. You're going to be kicking yourself if you panic sell your crypto for a loss. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right? That's what the manipulating players want you to do. They want to scare us out of our crypto. They want us to believe that it's going to zero, that we're going to lose all our money, that it's a gimmick, that it's trash, that it's garbage. Don't fall for it. I've been doing this for 5 years, and I could have easily fell for the FUD years ago, but I held strong, and I'm so glad I did. And like I said, I'm down 6 figures, multiple 6 figures. But overall, since I got in so early, which really 2017 is late for me because I found out about Bitcoin in 2012. So really I got in 5 years late. But in the grand scheme of things, it's still early. So with all that said, I'm down multiple 6 figures, but overall I'm still up because I got in so early. Like I said, I got in at 7,500 Bitcoin. We still basically at 19,000. So I'm still up overall, even though I'm hella down from where I was just back in November when shit was booming to the damn moon. So yeah, I mean, that's really all I wanted to say. Bitcoin is holding strong at 19,000. Could we dip down some more? Guaranteed possibility, yeah. Not saying it's guaranteed to dip more, but it's definitely a possibility we could go down. Some people calling for 10,000. What I'm going to say is this. If we go down to 10,000 or below on everything, I'm going to sell everything I own. Every shoe I own, I'm gonna wear Crocs every day like my stepdaughter. I'm gonna sell everything of value that I own, everything. And I'm gonna put my life savings, I'm going all in on Bitcoin. If that's how much conviction and belief, and that's how bullish I am long term for Bitcoin and crypto. Let us go down under 10,000. You think I'm gonna panic sell for a loss? Definitely not. I'm going to sell literally every single thing I own. And I'm dumping everything I got. I'm going all in on Bitcoin. So, and that's just showing you the belief that I have in this industry and in this technology. This is the 4th industrial revolution. Just like when the internet was created, crypto and blockchain is basically like the new internet. So the same way every aspect of our lives back in 95 when the internet first was introduced to us on a consumer level, nobody foresaw how every single aspect of our lives is going to run through the internet. Our phones, our bills, everything we watch, everything we do is run through the internet. If you don't have internet access, you're pretty much cut off from the whole world. You see what I'm saying? And that's how blockchain and crypto is going to be moving forward. So blockchain and crypto is like the new layer of the internet. It's like the newest iteration of the internet. And so again, this video is already longer than I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna leave it there. Shout out to all my HODLers. Shout out to all my Bitcoin and crypto bulls. Keep hodling. Don't get FUD'd and tricked out of your crypto. You're going to regret it. You heard it here. You're going to regret it if you panic sell for a loss. So you just got to hold through these down times. Be strong. Believe in the technology. Know what you're investing in and why. And just hodl strong. and you will reap the benefits later on down the line. All right, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. Like I said, Bitcoin is holding at like 19,000. Ethereum is like around $1,000. Y'all gotta remember, Ethereum was at like 4,800 back in around November at its peak. So don't worry, we coming back. You just gotta invest in the real projects, the good projects. They got so many meme coins, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and all of this nonsense. Vote Inu. Don't get caught up in the meme coins. Stay dealing with the stuff that has utility, that has a good team backing it, you know, that has a future, that has use case. All right, so this video is already about 5 minutes longer than I wanted it to be. So I'm gonna sign out right here. Gas mask in the building. We on the road to 100K. I'm always gonna give you the real on this channel. I give you my true perspective, how I perceive things, how I see things. Like it, love it, hate it, indifferent, whatever it is. You only gonna get the real here. All right, gas mask up in this bitch. All right, signing off. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, good, bad, ugly, or indifferent. I just need your engagement. I'm always going to give y'all the real. Y'all be safe out there. Gas mask signing off.